From the outside, the school complex of Oberau in Feldkirch looks like a new building, but that is not the case. Some parts of the complex are more than 40 years old. The school was redeveloped sustainably only 2 years ago. The redeveloping process aimed at reducing the thermal losses, improving the whole building technology.
The
building was constructed at the end of the 1960s, when the energy prices were low and therefore not important when building a house. The insulation consisted of 3.5 centimeter Heraclite sheets, which were composite panels made out of wooden fiber. Now we have a thermal insulation of 26 centimeters. For heating, the energy consumption could be reduced by 75%.
With those innovations, it comes to changes within the area of the maintenance of the building.
Auch für den Hausmeister ist es eine ganz neue Situation von früher zu.
For the caretaker or maintenance man, this is a totally new situation too. He has to attend to many technological systems. He must be trained and integrated into the transition process for newer technologies. The old building had conventional ventilation. You open the window, air comes in. The new building has a controlled ventilation system. This means that a certain constant quantity of air is interchanged during the entire day.
There is no more need to open a window. This is an adjustment for teachers and students, since users' behavior is the key element for an energy-saving operation of the building. What is special about this system is that the waste heat of a nearby plant is fed into the heating system.
Now we come to the centerpiece of the entire facility, the heating system.
A modern, well-planned technical system requires a well-informed user in order to actually use the potential to save energy. Here, the last fine-tuning of the system takes place.
In einem so hochgedämmten Gebäude ist es wahnsinnig wichtig.
In such a highly insulated building, it is very important to be thrifty with the heat. If the outdoor temperature increases, the heating has to react immediately. Otherwise, an overheating of the room may result. Then it is very hard to get the heat out of the building again. If we have 25 or 26 people in a classroom, they contribute to the temperature by about 2 to 2.5 kilowatts.
Im Hauptschulbereich sind wir bei circa Erwärmung von morgen bis am Abend zwischen 2.
In an average middle school, the temperature on a day with normal conditions increases by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius. This especially applies to spring or summer operations. This additionally generated heat has to be lowered by cooling at night.
Ein Hauptbereich ist auch das elektrische Licht.
Another important point is electrical light. The light system is automatically controlled by movement. Originally, all rooms were calculated with a theoretical luminosity, whereby there is always a buffer. By using an actual measurement, we try to find out if we can decrease the luminosity. Although it is comfortable enough in the building, we can still save this buffer value.
The computer monitoring system controls the energy consumption. Within this area, it is also possible to save energy. The way and length you use the building determines light intensity, ventilation and heating.
Wir haben sehr viele Messstellen eingerichtet, in die wir
Within diverse systems, we have included measuring points in order to determine how much is consumed. They are registered permanently and are also adjusted and optimized in the first period of the building use.